morning. I couldn't play that super loud. My kids are still sleeping. But today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. 5-5-20. It is Cinco de Mayo today. Yay! I don't just dress like this all the time, right? You guys see my decorations? I try to decorate as much as I can. I got my maracas and my festive colors. So yay! Today is Cinco de Mayo day. What a fun... Yes, Leia, get off. Oh God, my cat. How is everyone doing? Are you guys ready for a fun day today? I hope so. I'm going to post a few little fun things to do on our class tag. Totally optional, but make it a little fun. It is Cinco de Mayo, so there'll be some coloring sheets, some word search sheets, putting our words in ABC order, and just some fun activities and some videos learning the history of why we celebrate Cinco de Mayo. We would be in school, we would get to do that, so I'm bringing it to you. So keep the fiesta going at home, okay? So yay! Couple announcements. Class check-in at 11:30 as usual. I'm getting to see a lot of my friends today. Aria, Monica, Ethan, Lucy, Kelvin, Mabika, Trenton, and even Beepan. Ooh, I'm excited about that one, Beepan. We haven't spoken to you in ages. So yay, I'm excited about that. Let's do our one-pagers real quick. For science, you're going to watch a video, okay, about plants. And then you've got this worksheet. It looks like this that you can print out. If you can't print it out, it's okay. Just make yourself 4 boxes and draw a pretty flower in the middle if you want. But we do have these things that need to be on there. Plants need, and you're going to list what do plants need in order to survive? What can plants do? What do plants have? Hint, hint. How did you label your flower picture yesterday? And what are plants? Tell me about it. Okay, you don't have to fill up the whole entire box or anything, but list at least 1 or 2 things that you know. And I know you probably know more than that, so if you want to share more than that, that is totally awesome too. Okay, for ELAR today, you're going to watch Miss Buchek again, but today she's going to do a graphic organizer, okay, with the story that you guys listened to yesterday, Sylvester and the Magic Pebble. All right, can't see it. I don't know. Okay, so there's her graphic organizer where you're going to list your topic, and if you want, you can use this from what we did last week. You can list the topic, except for today, it's going to be the, topic, main idea. Sorry, I don't know where, I'm in a Cinco de Mayo fun stage, okay? And then you're going to list all the different examples that prove your main point of the story, okay? So follow along with Miss Buchek. And then for math today, you're going to watch a video, and then right below here, Mr. Kuhn has some words, vertices, circle, rhombus, and sides. You're going to match them, so you'll just draw a line to which definition on this side of the page does it belong to. Straight lines, 4-sided shape, corners or angles, no sides, and 0 vertices. So you're going to match with this side. You're going to draw a line to whichever one they match with on the opposite side, okay? So pretty simple, pretty easy. That's it. I don't have anything else. Don't forget next Monday. I haven't heard anything different, so I'm assuming it's still on next Monday. You guys will get to come by the school, drive by in your car on the gym side to come get your students, your kiddos stuff, okay? And any updates, I'll let you know. And again, hopefully we'll get that email out tomorrow from Miss Green and Mr. Kinney about how they're going to have that all operate and everything like that. So, okay, well, I hope you guys have a fiesta of a day. Have some fun. Don't be too serious. Don't stress out. If you get stuck, jump on here with me at 11:30. I get so lonely. Nobody comes on here. But that's okay. I know you guys are super smart. So just know I'm there if you need me. And I miss you guys tons. And my heart, your hearts. Let's end with our Chisholm Ridge Creed. Here at Chisholm Ridge, we will show respect for each other, embrace our day with heart and soul, and give our best to meet our goal. Oh, real quick, I am missing still a few of our friends' performance tasks. Go send those in, send those in. All right, I'm out of here. Adios, my friends. Adios, mis amigos. Bye, guys.